My name is Atin. Today I am going to draw a 3-point drawing perspective. For that, please take your pencil. If you need a shading pencil, you can take it your shading pencil, HB pencil. Even also you can take it your 8B, 10B pencil for doing shadings inside. Now we are going to start. Here is our 1 point, vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2 and vanishing point 3. Now I am going to make it one slipping line there. If you are not fine with your line, you can use your scale. One straight line coming towards downside. Now one slanting line touching from the 1 point to 2 point. Same here, 1 point to 3 point. Here is our 1 point, here is our 2 point, here is our 3 point. Now even also touch to the downside point. Now few lines going towards standing line with using slanting line. Again same thing, it should be going straight. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing downside. This is our eye contact line. Again downside, again downside. Here it is done. Now I am going to describe 3 point. So I will be raising few lines from the third point. This is a 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Here one line which is going downside, one more line which is going downside, one more line which is going more downside. Same thing here, one line going towards downside, one more downside, one more downside, there. So a few rays which is coming from 1 point, even also from 2 point and from 3 point. Now we are going to make it this as a building. Even also you can say it as a mall area, which I made it with the help of 3 point. Even also you can explore it little bit more if you want to. I am going to explore more here. Even also you can explore more lines. So you can make it more buildings too from that side also and this side also. Now which I want to make it that building, I am going to make it dark. First this line I am going to take it there, 1. I am going to take it dark first. So this is my first building which I make it dark. This is my first one. If I want to make it this building little bit long, so one more line I am going to make it here, because I want to make it this building little bit more tall. Now here it's there, going towards down. This is my second building which is tall to this building. Now I want to make it short, this building, it's going down. This is my third building. Again I want to make it same building building. This is my fourth building. Again I want to make it this short building. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth building. Now I'm going to this building. I want to make it short. I don't want to make it big. Here small. There. Here again I want to make it tall building. There. It goes down. So my 1 building, 2 building, 3 building from opposite direction. Done. So this is my building done. Wherever you found it a tall building, so it got a thickness. Here you have to define the thickness. Even this also you have to find a thickness. It is just not like a front portion, even also a back portion should be there inside. So for that you have to make it one slanting line and one slanting line which is going towards down. If you are going to this line, it is also going to touch this line. Third point mein wo touch hoga. So this is my thickness of my building. Same thing here. One little bit downside slanting line, and even also this line also goes to there. This is my thickness of my building. So here my tall building thickness is done. If you want to dark it, yes, you can dark it. I am going to dark it. This shows that there is a thickness. Again same here, that shows this is a darkness. Darkness shows a thickness. Now can you see this line? This specifies the door line. I want to make this single door. One standing line, one slanting line, again one slanting line, and one standing line. This is the main center building where it shapes like a L shape. This is my center building where door is connected. Now I am going to make it one more door there by using slanting line, because slanting line goes to third point at the top. Same here, again here, again here. Now same thing here, go slanting, again go slanting, same thing, slanting. My building door is ready. If you want to make it some designs inside, yes, you can make it designs inside. Make it standing line. Here some acrylic designs, even in this too. Even in this too. If you want to make it some cross designing, yes, you can make it some cross designing. It depends upon you which kind of design you need it. Same thing here. Here our building is ready. Now you can show this as a straight, walking straight here. Here a walking straight. So out of the mall where the place is found where you need to walk it, this is the place where you found it to walk. Now few slipping line for showing the footpath portion. Same thing on opposite side. If you want to show the thickness, yes, you can show the thickness here. There it is a thickness, again it is a thickness. Even also if you want to specify this as a road, you can specify this as a road. Even if you want to specify this as a divider, one more line, this is your divider portion. Even also one more line for a one-way direction road. Again same thing here, this is my divider and one-way road. This is my road done. This is a 3-point drawing.